स्टूडेंट्स ਨੂੰ ਖਾਣਾ ਖਵਾਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਬਾਕੀ ਨੂੰ ਖਿਲਾ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਲਾਈਫ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨੂੰ ਖਿਲਾ
Should we start, sir?
हाँ जी करो जी शुरू करो
Sir, Temesjan.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to each and every one of you. To embark on, these are two sayings. Fear is normal, but overcoming fear to optimize your life is exceptional. True optimization is the revolutionary contribution of modern research to decision process. I'm very delighted to be here today for the inaugural speech of this international webinar. My name is Tamasgan Alamu Godana, PhD scholar from Ethiopia, presently working at Department of Mathematics, Panjab University, Patiala. I got this opportunity because the practice of honoring guests is practically the culture of Punjabis. I feel extremely privileged and honored to be given this opportunity to welcome you all to this international webinar on intelligent optimization techniques and their real-life applications. This webinar is a part of Azadika Amrit Mahotsav being celebrated to mark the 75th year of Indian independence. It is an initiative of the government of India to celebrate and commemorate 75 years of progressive India and the glorious history of its people, culture, and achievements. This Mahotsav is being celebrated all over the country through various programs. In this regard, the Department of Mathematics, Punjab University, Patiala, is pleased to host a series of online lectures by the resource persons from all over the globe in collaboration with Gaziantep University, Ethiopia, University of Wolverhampton, United Kingdom, and MathTech Thinking Foundation, India, and cordially invites you to the International Webinar's inaugural ceremony. The objective of this webinar is to bring together academicians, researchers, professionals, executives, and practicing engineers from various educational institutes to share and exchange their current development ideas in optimization techniques. Now, this is the time to lamp the lamp for starting this event.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा शुक्लां ब्रह्मविचारसारपरमा आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीम् अभयदां जाड्यान्धकारापहा हस्ते स्फाटिकमालिकां विदधतीं पद्मासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदाम्।
Thank you so much for the lightning. India is home to over 1 billion people, accommodating incredible religious traditions. Punjab has one of the oldest and richest cultures in India. Now, as per the tradition of Punjab University, Patiala, I humbly request one and all to stand up, please, for a university doni.
आप
Thank you so much. Please sit down. Now, I would like to invite Professor of Mathematics, Dr. Satarbir Singh, Head Department of Mathematics and convener of this international webinar, to give a welcome address.
Thank you, Temesjan. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Arvindji, learned resource persons from all parts of the globe, and dear participants, a very good morning to all of you. At the outset, I wish to thank Honorable Vice Chancellor for accepting our invitation to be the chief guest of inaugural ceremony of International Webinar on Intelligent Optimization Techniques and their real-life applications. Thanks are due to all the learned resource persons who has kindly been agreed to deliver their invited talks at a very short notice. I extend heartfelt welcome to all participants for joining with Punjab University Patiala in virtual mode. You all are aware that India is celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to commemorate 75th anniversary of independence. On this occasion, Government of India has announced that February 22 to 28 will be celebrated as Science Week Festival. Department of Mathematics feels proud to organize this international webinar on this occasion. With the inspiration from Honorable Vice Chancellor, the webinar intends to provide a global platform in Punjab University Patiala for researchers and engineers to present and discuss recent innovations and techniques in the field of optimization. Most of the real life problems can be modeled as a system of differential equation or a mathematical model, which are non-linear in nature. Therefore, there is need to develop a robust optimization technique. Non-iterative procedures are incapable to provide exact solution in a given domain of definition. Moreover, conventional optimization methods need gradient information, which is rather complicated and difficult for optimization when we are using a commercial software. Therefore, there is a need to develop robust intelligent optimization techniques. These techniques are capable for solving famous complex problems in an efficient manner. In this webinar, the learned resource person will focus on such algorithms and their real-life applications. I am sure that the interaction with the resource persons will enrich the knowledge of participants attending this event. It is worthwhile to mention here that for this mega event, 1,307 candidates have registered. I again welcome Vice Chancellor Sir, all Deans, Directors of Punjab University Patiala, and welcome all the resource person and participants of this webinar. Thank you.
Next, I would like to invite Honorable quantum physics, and our Chancellor, Professor Arvind, just to address a welcome speech.
I request Vice Chancellor Sir to address the participants. I think there is some internet problem.
Hello, Haji, can you hear me?
Yes, I am able to hear
I
you. Please.
lost my,
Yes.
I had lost my connection, sorry. Yeah, so
Yes,
I am
yes,
very
yeah, yeah.
happy to be part of this conference. I think it's a very important conference happening at Punjabi University, Patiala. At the outset, I welcome participants from the region, from India, and all the international participants. See, optimization is something which is part of human thinking, and is qualitative optimization which we all do in our lives. And in the whole area of science of optimization, the lot of emphasis was there earlier about analytical optimization techniques, and they play a very essential role in all sciences where we optimize so many things. And of course, optimization as a science has developed a lot in the past few years, particularly from 1960s when the artificial intelligence was being used, was proposed to do optimization of happening in the field now, because a lot of techniques which were developed in the last quarter of the century required heavy computing to be coupled with those techniques. And therefore now with the computing developing in a major way and supercomputing computers being there on our tables, the many of the can be practiced. So therefore, the area of optimization has once again become very exciting. Its role in society, in sciences, in economics, it cannot be underestimated. So I'm very happy that this conference is being organized, and I hope that interaction of resource persons with the participants and everyone will go a long way in developing the research in the area of optimization at Punjabi University, Patiala. I once again welcome all of you, and I wish
Thank you, our Vice Chancellor, sir, for your thoughts-provoking address. Thank you so much. Now, I hand over the stage to Ms. Mitu.
Thank